Without a doubt, this is the smartest and best speakerphone I've ever used. Not only does it wirelessly and magnetically charge your phone, but this is an incredible Bluetooth speaker. And it has AI noise cancellation, and it's the world's first product to have Voiceprint technology built in. Let's take a closer look. Don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell to get my next video first. So have you ever had any unwanted noise or distractions during a Zoom meeting? Well, now you don't need to worry about it.
Yes.
So even though I'm right up next to the thing, you can't hear the banging?
No.
So even though I'm right up next to the thing, you can't hear the banging?
No.
Now, in this line of work, we do sponsored reviews, and this is one of them. But I promise you, folks, this is the type of product that, regardless of whether I was being sponsored or not, or I was doing a review on it, I would rush out and buy it after using it, because it is absolutely fantastic. Now, this is the AnkerWork S600 Speakerphone. Not only does it do absolutely everything that you need it to do really well, but the smart technology built into this thing just makes it brilliant. And even as a phone holder, it's the best looking phone holder I've seen. Now, the second that you take this thing out of the box, you'll just notice the build quality immediately. It just completely oozes the fact that this is a premium product. That Qi 2 charger on top will have a capability of giving you an angle of up to 70 degrees. And again, it feels solid and robust, and as soon as you put a phone against it, you know that it's gripped it well. And it even grips it and charges it and has full function even with a case on. Now, you can have this flat if you want to. I thought I'd just test how well that magnet was, and it lifts the product. It is quite incredible. You're not going to worry about your phone on this device. On the rear of the device are simple controls, a Bluetooth button, a power button, a data port and the charging port, and there's 2 microphones. This is a 4 mic arrangement, and there's another 2 on the front. And you can see those illuminated touch controls, which don't have to be illuminated all of the time, you'll be pleased to hear. They can come on just when you touch them. But the speaker itself is a 360-degree speaker, meaning that you do not get any sound loss no matter what angle you're sat at to the speaker. The setup is super simple. Just turn the power on by pressing and holding the power button, and it will automatically go into Bluetooth mode. Go into the Bluetooth settings on your device and then select the AnkerWork S600. And that's it, you're then connected. The next thing you'll need to do is to download the app, and this is where we're going to set up the voice recognition. Again, this is a completely simple process. Effectively, what you do is read this passage and it will record and learn your voice. This way it can recognize your voice and then exclude other voices and all other noises so that your voice comes through clearly. Now, when I give you a little demo in a few seconds, you will not believe how good this is, but it is just very simple and very easy to do. If you don't want the voice recognition on, then you don't have to set it as being on. It can just be a normal Bluetooth speaker and a normal phone holder. So having that Voiceprint recognition means that it's ideal for Zoom meetings and other type of FaceTime calls. But it's also great as a standalone device that you can take anywhere. With its 16-hour battery built in, it's perfect for watching videos on a smaller screen or scrolling through photographs. Plus, you can take it absolutely anywhere you want. And because the design of this thing is just so good, it doesn't look out of place anywhere. Whether it be in a modern desk setup, even just on a normal shelf it looks good, but I use it mainly as a bedside device so that I can listen to podcasts, and also I use it as a recipe holder when I'm cooking the latest Michelin star meal. Having the flexibility of that 360-degree spin means that there won't be a wrong angle for this thing. The touch controls at the bottom will enable you to answer calls, mute the device, and also change the volume. Speaking of volume, this is how it sounds. The 5-watt speaker and 360 degrees sound really do sound pretty good, and it also has a dual passive radiator. But now let's test this in its Voiceprint recognition and how well it does at eliminating other sounds. This has been developed using AnkerWork's Voice Radar 3.5 technology, and it's been trained with over 20,000 diverse environmental recordings, and it recognises up to 300 voice types. Okay, so the first sounds that you can hear are the recording of what it's actually like in the room which I'm talking. And as you can see, there's lots of ambient noise of rainfall. Now this is what you can hear at the other end of the phone using the AI technology. How well is it getting rid of the rainfall? I'm banging a thing on the desk controller. Can you hear that as well?
No.
I'm banging a thing on the desk controller. Can you hear that as well?
No.
So even though I'm right up next to the thing, you can't hear the banging?
No.
So even though I'm right up next to the thing, you can't hear the banging?
No.
Amazing. So it's now playing the same noise, same everything. Can you hear my voice okay?
Very clearly.
So it's now playing the same noise, same everything. Can you hear my voice okay?
Very clearly.
So no matter what meeting you're in, even with all this noise going on, you'll be heard perfectly fine. No matter what meeting you're in, even with all this noise going on, you'll be heard perfectly fine. Now, AnkerWork designed this to solve a number of problems. More and more people are working from home, and a better noise cancelling solution was definitely needed. And it needed to work fast and efficiently, just for those unscheduled meetings where you've quickly got to connect. Having that wireless charging as well means that you're not going to be suffering from any of those phone cut-offs when your battery dies in the middle of a call. And the others on the market at the moment have been an outdated design and really haven't looked very good. Now, multi-use is also a key ingredient because not everybody is going to be on meetings all the time. So having something that works as a speaker, works as a great phone charger, a bedside unit, all of these things were important. And you know what? I think they've done it. So this launches on Kickstarter on March the 21st, 2024, where there's a massive 45% super early bird offer. So if you want to get yours, then check out the link in the description, because I guarantee you folks, you will not be disappointed. This thing is brilliant.